Hi Primary One, hope you've all been having a really good week. For those of you that didn't see me on the Google Meet on Tuesday morning, my name is Mrs. Jones and I am joining your P1 bubble while we're all working from home. And every Friday I'm going to set you a little STEM challenge. Now, STEM stands for science, technology, engineering and maths. So we're going to be making things and doing some experiments and doing some investigations. So it should be quite good fun. I will give you fair warning of any things that you need to maybe get ready during the week, ready for Friday, but I think hopefully most of you should be able to manage something for today, which will be making and designing your very own piece of winter art. And in the process, I'm hoping that you'll be able to describe what happens to water when it freezes and what happens to ice when it melts. All your instructions and help is in a little PowerPoint I put together, which should be on your grid for this morning. But I'm going to do a little demonstration now of some ideas that you might want to try and put together. So you need a little container. This is just a wee takeaway container, little plastic container, not too big. And then I went out and from my garden collected some colourful pieces that I can use for my design. So what you're going to do is fill up your container. Let's move this down a little bit. There we go. Fill up your container just over halfway, about 2/3 full of water, and then use the bits that you've gathered to create a picture or a design. So I've got bits of my old Christmas tree. This is actually from the wreath that was on my door as well. Some red berries, so it's nice and colourful. And then I thought I could use the peelings from maybe a lemon or an orange to give it a real pop of colour. So you're going to put all your bits in, and when you're happy with it, then I want you to get a piece of string or ribbon or twine, something that's quite strong, because you need this for hanging your sculpture when it's frozen. And I want you to put the two ends, cut ends, into the water, which are all well covered, and then give a little loop hanging out like this, so you can hang it. Okay, now then with some help I want you to put this into the freezer, or I'm actually recording this on Thursday morning and oh my goodness, there's some snow out there, so actually leaving it outside overnight might be enough also for the water to change. Okay, and what I want you to do is over the course of the day or the weekend or next week when you've got a bit of time, just have a look at it. What has changed? Okay, how does the water now look? How does it feel? What about your design? How does that look? Has it changed? Okay, when it is ready, and it has, this is what mine now looks like. I did this one yesterday and took it out of my freezer this morning. Okay, but already, because it's been sat here for a little while and a few goes at making this video for you, it's already starting to change. You can see something that's happening down here, so I need to get it outside quite quickly. Okay, and I want you to keep an eye on it and look at what happens. Okay, I look forward to hearing how you get on with your little winter ice sculpture investigation. Okay, so you can send your videos or pictures into Seesaw, and I'll try and keep up with them through the day. I will be in class on a Friday, so I'll be taking in lots of things for the boys and girls that are in the class on Friday, so we can do this at the same time. And I'll do that every week. So if boys and girls, if you're in school on a Friday, I will make sure I've got all the equipment we need so we can do this this lesson together as well. Okay, hope you all have a lovely winter weekend and have fun. We'll see you next week. Thank you.